And welcome back to Western New York Living. When I say the words varicose or spider veins, most of you probably know what I'm talking about. Well, I can tell you with today's technology, both can be treated with non-surgical in-office procedures at the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center. And they're using advanced technology to make veins disappear and symptoms greatly improve for those suffering with varicose or spider veins. So let's head over there now so you can see it for yourself.
Millions of Americans suffer each day with tired, swollen, and achy legs. Most believe that it's a product of their daily lifestyle. But in theory, close to 50% of women and 25% of men have a problem with leg veins that cause these symptoms. The two most common vein problems are varicose veins and spider veins. At the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center in Williamsville, they're incorporating the latest technology along with a holistic approach to treat these type of vein problems.
We pride ourselves on really having a full comprehensive approach to vein care. In other words, we first evaluate the patient and then we treat the more significant vein problems and then we improve the appearance by treating the spider veins. So it's a total approach. When there's a valve issue, there's a delayed blood flow out of the legs, which leads to pain, aching, and swelling. And so we need to address that medical problem first before we can improve the appearance of the legs. So we're able to first address the medical component, and then we use other techniques with laser and sclerotherapy to improve the appearance of the veins. And these treatments are now permanent. This is not a temporary solution. When we eliminate veins that someone has, those veins are permanently eradicated.
Dr. Biscaglia is just one of the 3 board-certified doctors treating varicose and spider veins at the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center. Between them, they have over 25 years of experience in this field, and many of their patients do not realize how problematic varicose veins can be.
We often have patients call and say that they're not sure if they have varicose veins. Once they come in, we see the swelling, we see the bulging veins, and we talk to them about all the symptoms that can be associated. It's very clear that they do have a deeper vein problem.
Once patients understand the extent of their varicose veins problems, they're comforted in knowing the procedure to eliminate the varicose veins is very simple.
We're minimally invasive. We're non-traumatic. You lay here on this table. We visit the whole time about your children. I put a little laser fiber into that vein under local anesthesia. We turn on the laser fiber, we pull it back and seal that vein closed, and that solves a large percentage of the problem. It's a process. Treating veins is a process depending how extensive your veins are. So sometimes the relief is quick in 2 weeks, and sometimes it takes us a series of treatments in half a year before you're feeling better.
The treatment of spider veins can actually take a little bit longer than varicose veins, depending on the number of procedures. But just like varicose veins, the treatments are relatively painless and take very little time.
It can be anywhere from about 1 to 4 treatments, we'll say. With each treatment session, we're basically injecting every vein that we can see on the surface of the skin. Sometimes we'll use some tools that will help to guide us into one direction or another. But in essence, we're basically treating as much as we can in one treatment session. And actually, most patients will come in after that first treatment and say, you know, I still have some going on, which is expected after the first one, but I have noticed a reduction, maybe in 30%, 40% at just that first treatment, which is kind of amazing when you think about it. But it also depends on how much you have to start with. You know, not every patient's going to need 4 treatments. Perhaps they'll only need 2. So after that first one, they may see a tremendous amount of reduction with just that first one.
With the advanced technology and treatments they offer at the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center, there's no reason to suffer any longer with varicose or spider veins.
This is stopping people from playing tennis, from going swimming, from going to the beach. It's stopping them from being active in their life. So that side is cosmetic, especially women are very self-conscious if they have a bulging vein or even a spider vein. I just had a patient earlier, she said she hasn't worn shorts in 30 years. And that's a long time to not do the things you want to do when something is treatable.
Treatable it is. The Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center is located at 52 South Union Road in Williamsville, right near Main Street. To find out more about all of their procedures, including vein treatments on varicose and spider veins, you can head over to their website, which is cvlc.com. There, you'll find useful information on all they do. You can also give them a call at 632-5200. The Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center has the lasting solution for your varicose and spider veins.